As you've probably heard before, the only thing you can expect with a forecast is that they are always wrong. How wrong is another question. A forecast is a prediction of something to come or in the future, and that means there is always some type of uncertainty. In addition to this, warning, there are many dangers associated with forecasting customer demand. Let's look at a few. First, let's consider variable demand and products. In most organizations, customer demand fluctuates, seasonality occurs, or something influences demand patterns that will cause variability in your demand. In addition to this, many organizations produce many different types of products. As such, companies must take into consideration both the customer needs and the specific product or information that has been demanded. This can make forecasting increasingly difficult as planners must not only identify the demand fluctuations that will likely occur and have a good understanding of what trends are occurring in their industry. This indeed makes more of a volatile situation when it comes to a forecasting environment. Another danger that you must consider when forecasting is lead time. In addition to variable demand and product trends, forecasters must always consider the customer lead time as well as their own personal production lead times. These, as we all know, are almost impossible to forecast. With all of these considerations, you can see why forecasting is so dangerous. A pull system, on the other hand, solves these dangers by putting a stop to all the guessing and forecasting. Remember, forecasting triggers can include raw materials, schedules, calendars, and plans, but they never include a customer order. In a pull system, everything is driven by the customer order, which means your trigger to begin producing is the customer order. Now, before we go, we'd like to challenge you with a question. What problems have you encountered when forecasting customer demand? We look forward to reading your answers, and we'll see you in the next lecture.